If you want to turn your YouTube channel into a lead generating machine for your business, there's one major change you need to make. Stop underestimating the power of YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'll show you how to create what's known as bridge content from your top performing longer videos, and then it'll not only provide you greater visibility, but here's the great part. It'll take new viewers, turn them into returning viewers, which will help them turn into future customers for your business. I'll break down how you can learn how to use retention graph data along with some strategic linking from your shorts to your longer videos, and all of that will create new subscribers, new viewers, and ultimately new customers. Miss these tips and you're leaving potential customers on the table. I'm Jeff Hampton, and as the owner of 3 businesses with a YouTube channel with more than 300,000 subscribers and over 15 million views per month, and a YouTube consulting agency that helps other service businesses grow on YouTube, I have learned a very important lesson that can transform your business like it did mine. In fact, I've been able to use some of these strategies to now gain an additional $2 million a year for my law firm. If you're a business owner itching to accelerate your business growth on YouTube, I have to ask you a question. How much do you really know about YouTube Shorts, and how well are you using them? That brings us to tip number 1. Transform your top performing longer videos into YouTube Shorts. This is very simple. It's all about leveraging your existing content you're already making. The very first place to start with YouTube Shorts is that not only should you, but you can look at your top performing longer videos if you've started creating longer videos and start pulling shorts from the content you've already done. I mean, think about it. You've already spent all this time and effort scripting, recording a 5 to 10 minute video. Why not do all that you can to maximize its reach? You can start by going through the videos you already have. And as you release a video every week, pinpoint those golden nuggets within that content and use those as your first shorts. But don't stop there. Go back to your older content. Look for those videos that performed really well and look to pull out some short form content and get your channel growing. You might be wondering, Jeff, how do I find these top performing sections in my video? Easy answer. Start looking at your retention graphs. These graphs are like a treasure map showing you where your viewers are most engaged. Look for spikes in your retention graph. Those are the hot spots for great shorts. For instance, when you look at your retention graph, if you see a little spike, a little increase in the percentage of the people viewing at that moment, that is a sign that your audience loves that part of your video. This makes it a perfect candidate for a short. In fact, maybe even a viral short. Let me give you an example. I created a video, a long form video that's over 20 minutes long, and it's entitled 5 Tips Whenever Cops Want to See Your Guns. As you can see here, even now, 6 months, actually longer than that, 8 months later since it's been launched, you're looking at 4.9 million views. But look at this retention graph down here. When you get down here, you'll see a blip right at about the 17 minute and 45 seconds. When you see an increase in your retention graph right here where it goes up, that is telling us that the viewer is very interested in what was said right there and sometimes may even be rewinding to watch it again. Boom! That's prime material for a new YouTube short. By repurposing that little section I just showed you, now you're not guessing about what your audience likes. You now know for sure what your audience likes so that you'll get more views and push newer viewers to that same great longer video that will help grow your channel. So if you're not repurposing your longer videos into YouTube Shorts, that's priority number 1. Tip number 2, it's time for you to start utilizing the related video feature on YouTube Shorts. This, quite frankly, is where many creators are dropping the ball. You should be using the related video feature on every single video you launch. This feature is like a bridge connecting your short videos to your longer videos, which will help grow your channel and introduce new viewers to your content. I'm going to pause just a moment and I'm going to show you exactly where this related video feature is. In fact, I want to show you one of my shorts that I have a little over 7 million views. If you go to the details section of the shorts, notice over here down on the right hand portion, you got to scroll down, related video. This allows you to attach an additional video that will now be available and visible for the shorts viewer to potentially click. Now you have 2 options here. You could, number one, strategically decide that you're going to link this video. In this example, it is, can you remove a cop's GPS tracker from your car? I could link this to another video, another short that has to do with the same subject. I could choose to do that here. Or number two, the one I use more frequently, you can actually link the short, which is a little commercial, for the longer video and place the longer lengthy video here, the full length video, which for me, I think it was like 10 minutes long, 9 or 10 minutes long. You place that here. So you are introducing the longer video, the more in-depth content to the new viewer. By using this strategy, the viewer first gets a quick, nice hook in the video from the short. And then after they've consumed that content, you leave them wanting more so that you can transition them over to the longer, more in-depth content to create trust and ultimately a new viewer and subscriber. Here's the crazy part. Less than 3% of YouTube channels are using this related video feature. So this is one of the quickest ways for you to differentiate yourself from everyone else, including your competitors for your business. But be careful here. Pro tip, make sure that the short video and the related video are closely linked and similar in content. If your short is some lighthearted animation, but the long video you link it to is a deep webinar, you're going to lose some people and they're going to get very confused. Consistency is always key to maintaining viewer interest and trust in your content. This brings us to tip number 3. Look to try to improve your swipe away percentage. Make sure people are watching 70% or higher for your shorts. What do I mean by swipe away rates? So when you go into your short, I want you to notice here, you'll go into analytics and you'll scroll over to reach. When you click, you've got overview here, and then you click to reach. When you get to reach, look over here where it says how many chose to view. 85.8% chose to view, 14.2% chose to swipe away. You want to try to optimize those who viewed to be 70% or higher, like this particular short. Why? Because this is all about audience retention. You're keeping the attention of your audience, which is a recipe for a high-performing short. I know what you're thinking, but how do I make people stick around when they're watching my video? This is where the first 1 to 3 seconds of your video is crucial to get on point. Treat the first 3 seconds as a micro video. This is so important to hook your viewer and make sure you grab a hold of them and do not let them go. Start with a bold statement, an intriguing question, something that grabs their attention that relates to the rest of the short. This immediate engagement signals to the YouTube algorithm that the audience loves your content, which means the algorithm will now push it out to a wider audience. And don't forget, when you get to the end of your YouTube short, always have a call to action. You should push them to either watch the next video, push them to the related video feature, or make sure you tell them what you want the viewer to do next. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, Jeff, I've heard other people say that YouTube Shorts don't really do much for your business because they attract a different type of viewer. The problem, that's only half the story. Here's the reality of it all. Once someone sees your short and they watch it all the way through, the algorithm now knows they liked that piece of content. So the next time you release a video, it is much more likely that same viewer will be introduced to maybe your longer form video. And now they're going to be given an opportunity to become a returning viewer. If you use YouTube Shorts the right way, it can be like opening a door for a viewer to see your entire content library. In today's YouTube universe, consumption by viewers always trumps subscribers. Why? Because the algorithm for YouTube prioritizes what people are currently watching right now, not what they subscribed to 6 months ago. The best part, by using YouTube Shorts, if someone watches your YouTube Short now, YouTube is going to recommend and suggest additional videos to them because they have now been exposed to your brand and your content. What most people don't realize is subscribers who aren't watching your content, they're also not being recommended your content. So focus on creating compelling content that has people coming back for more. Now, did you know that there's another YouTube secret that if you implemented it for your channel today, you would be able to get your viewers to binge watch your content? Check out this next video where I show you the power of the end screen to blow up your business. See you over there.